Hi, it's Jared again here with Delgado Entertainment. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to play the G chord. The G chord consists of 3 fingers and 3 different strings. Your E string, your lower E, your A string, and your high E. Finger placement for G is going to look like this. Your index finger is going to go on your A string, on your 2nd fret. Your middle finger is going to go on your low E on your 3rd fret. Third finger is going to go below your middle finger on the high E. What you see here is the structure on how to play the G chord, and it's going to sound like this. In our last lesson, we learned a certain rhythm pattern with the E minor. What we are going to focus on today is to learn how to transition your E minor, which is this chord, using the same rhythm pattern to your G chord, which finger placement is here. Refer to the last YouTube video for our E minor finger placement. Down, 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 up, up, down. Now we're going to do the same strumming pattern with our G chord. Down, 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 up, up, down. Down, 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 up, up, down. On their G, down, 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 up, down. Down, 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 up, down. We're going to try to transition our E minor into our G, which is going to sound like this with the rhythm pattern we learned in our last video. And we're going to go back and forth to the E minor, to our G. Understanding, being a beginner guitarist is going to be a little bit before you can make that fast of a transition. Smoothly from your E minor, using the strumming pattern we just used, to go to your G chord. E minor and G are chords that are used in a lot of songs. E minor, notice how I have my middle finger and my ring finger, and I got all my other fingers off of the notes. This is to make sure that every string rings out clearly. Once you practice these transitions, you will develop a way to be able to add extra ghost notes in your strumming pattern, which are going to sound like the strumming patterns you hear me playing now. You know that you are getting better at transitioning when you can play faster and switch faster. The changing fingers for your E minor is simply just another way to make it easier to transition from your E minor to G. I hope you guys have had fun with this lesson and take it to the next level and continue to watch my videos as I put out more. If you would like personal guitar instructions via Skype, please simply add me on Skype at DELGADOENTMT.